Today I'm going over the H-frame Arbor 2x2x11 steel press plate and parallel set. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. I'm keeping this simple. I can't show the product on camera this time, so I'm walking through it on a screencast. It's not ideal, but it still lets me show what matters about the set, how it's built, and where it performs well or falls short during real shop work. This set is meant for people who use a shop press often and need stable, uniform support blocks.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
The pieces come as heavy steel sections sized at about 2x2x11 inches. The weight is noticeable right away. These blocks stay planted on the press bed without shifting around, which is what you want when you're pushing bearings, sleeves, or stubborn parts that like to roll or tilt when pressure climbs. The steel feels solid enough for general press work. You're not getting tool room precision here, but they're straight, they sit flat, and they line up well enough for everyday metalworking tasks. For anyone who deals with light to medium press loads, the set handles it without complaint. The edges are clean, no strange warping, no thin spots, nothing that makes you question the heat or pressure they can take. But there are a few things worth pointing out. The surface finish is pretty basic. It doesn't hurt the function, but it looks rougher than higher-end parallels you see in machining setups. If you need exact height matching or super tight tolerances for precision work, this set isn't going to beat pricier parallels. It's more of a dependable utility set for rougher jobs, not delicate alignment work. The dimensions are good for most presses in small and mid shops. The length gives enough spread so force doesn't localize too much, and the 2-inch width keeps the load stable. If you've worked with shorter blocks, you know how fast they can rock under uneven pressure. These stay grounded better. Another thing I noticed is that the corners aren't chamfered. That means they can bite into softer surfaces if you're not careful. On the other hand, the sharp edges help them grip the press bed instead of sliding around, so it's a trade-off. What this set does well is give you simple, strong, uncomplicated support pieces you're not afraid to abuse. You can set them up fast, move them around, stack them, and not worry about ruining anything expensive. For DIY builders, mechanics, and fabricators, that's sometimes all you need. If you run a machine shop and expect high precision, you'll want something better finished and closer matched. Overall, the H-frame Arbor 2x2x11 set sits in a sweet spot for cost and toughness. Nothing fancy, but very usable. It works best for general pressing tasks, spacing, supporting parts during bending or light forming, and anything where brute strength matters more than fine measurement. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.